What's up, uni queens and kings? It's your girl Kiara Unique, and I am back with another video. And today's video I'm super excited about because I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own lip gloss. If you are new to my channel, I do have a cosmetics business primarily based off of lip gloss, but I also sell lip scrubs, lip oils, body shimmers, etc, etc. The Instagram to my business is at One of a Kind Cosmetics. It is currently in the process of being rebranded and revamped. So to help me raise money for my business, I decided instead of wasting money and just getting rid of my inventory, why not make DIY lip gloss kits so that you guys can make your own lip gloss and experience what I experienced when I make lip gloss for you guys. Now, we'll be honest, you guys won't get the same exact formula as how my lip gloss is because I didn't include everything. I literally only include the lip gloss base, the lip gloss oil, and the pigment. I didn't want to give all my secrets out, and I won't be disclosing my vendors either. If you're super interested in my vendors, you can message me personally at One of a Kind Cosmetics, and maybe we could discuss wholesale prices. It's something I'm considering, but I'm not for sure about it. I'm literally going to do this as if I'm making it for a customer, even though I'm making it for myself and just showing you guys how I do it. But before we get into this video, I need you guys to go ahead and like this video. Please be sure to leave me a comment and do not forget to subscribe. And while you're at it, make sure you turn on those post notifications so you will always be the first to know when I post and never miss an upcoming video that I have. Especially with me rebranding and revamping my business right now, the videos is coming. It's going to be more business vlogs, business videos. This is just the first of many. So I hope you guys are ready for this journey just as much as I am. And I'm so excited for you guys to see this rebrand and revamp. If you have purchased my lip gloss kit, thank you so much. I can't wait to get started with you guys. If you are wanting to purchase a lip gloss kit, please hit me up on One of a Kind Cosmetics on Instagram. Also, you can email me at oneofakindcosmetics@gmail.com. And again, the cosmetics is always spelled with a K. So let's get into this video. I will answer questions like primarily towards my business and like more in-depth details towards my business on another video. So if you have questions, I need you to go down and below this video and go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know what you want to see and what you got questions about business related, okay? So let's get going into this video, y'all. I hope you didn't forget to subscribe. You know what? Let me wait. My girl, did you subscribe yet? My kings, did you subscribe yet? All right, thank you, thank you. Now let's get into this video, y'all. Okay, so with the coronavirus and everything going on right now, you're gonna wanna wipe down your space very thoroughly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these Clorox wipes and I am about to wipe down this space, okay? Even though it's just for myself, I just want you guys to see how I would do it as if it was a normal process, okay? Okay, so these are the color options that I have. So I'm going to show you guys them. So I got this silver sparkly one. And I'm going to be honest, the colors are a lot more pigmented in person versus on camera. I have a yellow matte pigment. I've got like this purpley blue pigment. And this is actually the sassy pigment that I had. So if you love the sassy lip gloss and you love that pigment, I've got like an orange coppery pigment. More so orange. I got the Strawberry Candy Kiss pigment that I used to have in that gloss. That's also getting retired. I got this like rosy pink pigment. I actually use these in my body shimmers, but you also can use them on your lips. I've got a gold pigment, a bronze pigment, pink sparkle pigment, and then another golden pigment. This is the like most golden pigment that I have. So I'm gonna just show you guys an overview one more time. And they're on my Instagram at One of a Kind Cosmetics. So you're able to pick via there too. Just DM me what you want and I will let you know what the price is. I do have some standard prices of the kits and I'll include that in here as well. Okay, so when you order your kit from me, this is how it will come because I do ship. So let me show you really quick. So it will be in like a gold package. Or it could be in a pink and yellow one. It all depends on how many you order. This package would be my 5 gloss and 5 pigment package, okay? So in it, of course, I'm going to include my business card. Even though I'm getting new ones, I just want to be able to brand my stuff and have people be able to follow me and whatnot and contact me if need be. So that is my contact information via my business. Then you will see this bad boy here. It's one of the large holographic bags, and I put the empty lip glosses in there. There are 5 lip glosses, empty lip glosses in here. There's also a pipette and a spoon. So let me show you guys what I mean by the pipette. So this is the pipette. I'm going to use this to get the oil, and then I was going to include the oils in there too. I think that I still am, though only it wouldn't be like in a bottle like this, but I was gonna put them in like the little baggies, but I know I tried it like a test sample and it kind of eventually spilled out, and I don't want that to happen in anyone's package on the way to them. So I have to find something to store them in. But as for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys that I'm using sweet almond oil. I'm no longer gonna use that in my glosses anymore because I'm trying to use things that people are not allergic to, so that doesn't limit my customer base. So then I have a spoon, and this is what you're gonna use to dip the pigment, take out the Versagel, and mix. And load your lip gloss up with it, okay? So let's see. Now, if you order 1 lip, and then you'll get your Versagel. This is enough for 5 glosses. It's actually, it looks like a little bit, but it's pretty thick. I have it pretty thick in there. So this will be your Versagel for the glosses. All right. And now I just wanted to show you guys this on camera because I don't want anybody to think that I'm like not trying to tell the whole truth. If you order 1 lip gloss, the packaging is not as cute as the multiple, and actually you save more money when you order multiple DIY lip gloss kits from me. So if you get like 1, it's going to come in this little bag, and it's just going to be just enough for 1 lip gloss, literally. So what I would recommend doing is cutting the lip gloss open and then just scooping it out with the spoon. And then you also get your 1 lip gloss tube. And when I tell you guys about the lip gloss tube, it comes with the actual tube, comes with the cap, and then the little lip gloss applicator part. I'm trying to show you guys. Yeah. So that is that, and that will be what is all included in your kit. But to start off, I'm only going to be making 1 lip gloss on camera. So here is the lip gloss tube, because we're about to get this going. I've got the lip gloss top. And then we have the lip gloss applicator. So I want to let you guys know all of your packages that you order from me will be coming. I won't be washing them or anything from you. I want you to have that experience that I have when I make my lip glosses. So you will be washing them. They literally just came straight from my vendor. I haven't washed them, done anything to them. So you just want to make sure that you are thoroughly caring for the lip gloss kits. Like, make sure you clean them really well because this coronavirus going around is nothing to play with. But I always take these safety precautions even when the coronavirus isn't going on. Even when the coronavirus wasn't going on, just to be on the safe side. But I just want you guys to know that that extra precaution definitely needs to be taken care of. Like, you definitely need to do it.
Okay, to begin with, you're going to want to start off by sanitizing your lip gloss tubes. Just for the purpose of this video, I do already have some pre-sanitized that I'm going to use, but I just want to show you guys doing this process. When I first started out, this is how I used to sanitize them. So I'm just showing you guys how I first started out with making lip gloss and everything. So this is definitely beginner friendly. Also, FYI, I did used to leave the soap water and the lip gloss tubes overnight, just so you guys know, and then I also will let it air dry. So let's go ahead and put on our gloves and get ready. Here is our lip gloss base. So I'm going to take the lip gloss base and put it into this clear bowl. The reason I'm using a clear bowl is because I can see the pigmentation very easily, and it's great for the purposes of this video. As you guys see, I did put a poster board underneath it so that it will reflect great off for you guys. So now I'm just taking the base and I'm going to put it in the bowl. So now it is time to add our oils, and you can use whatever oil you want. But for my lip gloss kits, the DIY lip gloss kits I'm using almond oil. And I will go ahead and mix the oil in for you guys. You're more than welcome to add whatever oil you want to, and flavorings, of course. Make it your own. Like, get creative, guys. So I add enough oil to the point where I get the lip gloss base to a consistency that I am satisfied with. To each its own. I don't like the sticky lip gloss, but I like my lip gloss to be really shiny and moisturizing. So I typically like it to be a little bit more runnier, but didn't want to use all the product up just on this one lip gloss. And I also use different oils, but I didn't want to show you guys all the oils that I use in my lip glosses. Maybe I'll do that in another video for y'all. So this is the consistency I got the lip gloss to. And as you saw, I literally just kept adding oil until I got what I liked. So now we're going to take the pigment, and this is the Lucky pigment that we're using today for our kit. It's very pigmented. This is a pigment that I use in my body shimmer, but it is safe, and also you can use it for your lips. So that's what I'm doing now. And I kind of really like this. I might make this one of my fall glosses, honestly. I really like this color. So then we're just going to mix it until I get the stuff all mixed in, okay? So again, this video is for beginners, and this is how I used to do my lip glosses, y'all. When I tell you it was very time consuming, I went ahead and finally found out that I could use these syringes. If you're interested in getting some syringes for your lip gloss kit, please let me know when you contact me, and I'll be glad to sell those to you, even sell them wholesale. So they are so helpful, and I'll do a video of like showing me how I use these syringes. Okay. Also, to help speed up the process, a technique I learned when I did used to do this, if you squeeze the lip gloss, yes, a little bit comes out, but leave the spoon on top, because once you let go of the lip gloss, it sucks it all back in, plus more. So that was a way that I was able to fill up the tube pretty quickly. And always make sure you get the gloss from around the tube. I promise you guys, my process now is nothing like this. It's like so different, but I'll definitely be showing you guys once I relaunch how I make them now. So I did use a pipette that is included in my DIY lip gloss kit just to help me get the last little bit in there. And then you want to put on the top. Now when you're putting on the top for the lip gloss, you want to make sure it's facing the right way so that the lip gloss won't be coming out from like the side or anything. Y'all know what lip gloss look like. And then wipe it down and place that top on, okay? And then I washed them off camera with warm water and soap again, just to get that sticky film and all that good stuff from the outside. And then here's the final product. And then you're going to want to take some Windex and wipe it down for the label. Don't be the one who takes the Windex and directly sprays it on the lip gloss. Take the Windex, spray it on a paper towel, and then apply that to where you want your label to go on the lip gloss. So then you're going to take the label, and a little trick I learned is those blue lines. I use those to line up the label, and these are vinyl labels. So there's no clear film on the back. It looks like it, but that's just the top of the, like, to actually help me place the labels. But there's no clear film. It's just literally the words cut out, ready to stick on the gloss. So after I got it in the spot that I want, you want to press down and then put some pressure on it to get the letters to stick and stay in place. And when you're pulling it back, you like pulling the label back, you want to make sure that you hold the letters down, because if not, this is what will happen to you. You see, like, see how like the lip gloss is, wait, y'all see how like the letters is sticking? So basically I just had to take the label and hold down the letter while I pull. Also, I quickly learned when you're putting the labels on, if you pour, once you get it stuck onto the gloss for the most part, if you pull the plastic film thing like sideways, it actually helps you put it down like faster and without ripping it or anything like that. And here is the gloss with the label on there.
All right, so now that we have got the lip gloss complete, One of a Kind Cosmetics, and this is the color of the gloss. Really pretty. All right, and again, here's the contact information, so make sure y'all DM me if y'all want a kit. So anyways, I'm going to take a napkin and wipe off the lip gloss that I currently have on, which is just a nude lip gloss. Okay, no need to fear, One of a Kind Cosmetics is here. All right, so now I'm gonna open the top. Put that to the side. And this doesn't have a smell, obviously. So pretty. So let's put it on our lips. Oh, it feels so good. It's got some shimmer, but it's like really hard to see. I'm gonna see if I can like insert a clip of the shimmer, but it's more so clear and I really like it, y'all. I really like this gloss. All right, thank you guys again so much for tuning in. Thank you for the ones who has purchased my DIY lip gloss kit this far. Thank you for the ones who are about to purchase their lip gloss kit, and just thank you for everyone who supports me in general. I truly couldn't do it without you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it for you all. As much as I also enjoy just making cosmetics for you guys in general. Like when I tell you guys I'm putting my elbow, foot, thumb, nail, what do they always say, knee, all that stuff into this business, this relaunch and rebrand, it will show. Like my business will speak for itself. Like I don't even have to like talk on it. But again, if you want to purchase a DIY lip gloss kit, Again, if you want to purchase a DIY lip gloss kit, please DM me via Instagram at One of a Kind Cosmetics, or just send me an email at oneofakindcosmetics@gmail.com so that we can get the process rolling. My Instagram, my personal Instagram, is also at uniquelykiera_. So again, I hope you guys enjoy. The prices does vary. I will insert a picture letting you guys know the prices. I hope you guys enjoyed this first part of my business vlogs and videos, because I have a lot more coming to this segment of my channel. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Just be sure to like, comment, and subscribe before you leave this video, and turn on those post notifications so that you won't miss any upcoming videos, especially when I post videos like these. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Will forever be that bitch. Yeah.